For this hair growth water, you'll be needing your hair oil, which helps to increase moisture and also prevent hair loss. You can use any hair oil of your choice. It can be from a brand or your DIY hair oil. You also need container to mix the ingredient, preferably a glass pot so as to help with the infusion. You also need grains of rice. We know the importance of rice water. You also be needing clove seed. Clove seed contains high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. They can be used for protecting the scalp from dandruff. And dandruff is a major cause of weak and thin hair. If your hair is thin and your hair is weak or brittle, then you have to check for your scalp whether you are suffering from dandruff or any kind of scalp infection. So one of the function of this clove seed, an important function at that, is that it helps to protect your scalp from dandruff, which in turn help you to grow thick hair. So pour warm water into a container. Emphasis on the warm water. You have to make sure that the water is not hot so as not to destroy what we are trying to infuse, but make sure that it's not cold. It should be a lukewarm water. Add the fenugreek seeds to the warm water. Fenugreek helps to increase hair thickness and also hair growth. Add 5 to 10 drops of your hair oil into the mixture. It is very important that you add the hair oil after the infusion, because the hair oil will reduce the infusion rate. So it's better for you to add the oil after the infusion. So add 10 to 15 clove seeds to the water, then add the grains of rice to the mixture, then cover and infuse for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, then you separate the water. The water would have been infused. The color of the water will change. The change in color is a sign of infusion. So you have to separate the water from everything that we added, like the clove seeds, the fenugreek, the rice water. You can see how it looks. So you separate the water from the particles by sieving it, and after doing that, you can see the water. You can see that it's no more colorless. And you pour the infused water into your spray bottle and you spray it on your hair. You can use it as a leave-in treatment, in the sense that after spraying it on your hair, you just leave it like that. You don't rinse it off, but you can also rinse it off if you don't like the smell, because fenugreek gives a maple kind of smell. So if you don't like it, you can rinse it off. But this water is really great for your hair, really great. It helps to cure dandruff. It also thickens your hair and facilitates hair growth. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.